Chip going to the side of the guys in white. Negros.
You know, with broken rims, to broken floors, to games being ended abruptly.
Malakas yung tira sa tres ni James Ingles. Running start for Kenny Rocurva. One of the best rebounding guards and in transition as well. Going coast to coast. Silang dalawa talaga nagbabantayan. Ito si Formento at si Rocurva. Alatica nakabuelo, lays it up and in over Mark Pingris.
Rocurva had a chance to rotate, you know, to Alatica, but that would mean that he would have to leave. Etong si
Pingris offering that screen. Dives down the lane, puts it up and in. Formento to CJ. CJ losing Gimpayan. Dumps it down low to Matt De Leon. He hammers it down with one hand. Mark Pingris down low.
right here, you see the drop off.
Sa poste, Pingris. Against Mahinay, umikot, reverse layup kay Pinoy Sakuragi, who wanted a foul on that drive. Nakay Formento pa rin, the switch, baseline drive, Nash dribble, inside they go to Mahinay. Babandang tira, papasok yan.
And kisses it off the glass.
Under 3 minutes left in the first quarter. Raimundo runner, swak na swak, galing kay Pamboy.
Front court and a much improved two-way player in Kenny Rocurva.
Lastimosa lines it up, knocks down the three. And we still have the veterans as well. Pamboy Raimundo, Carlo Lastimosa. Inside, Jeremy Mahinay with a putback has 4 points. Mantay niya si Renzo Subido. Nice pass to the outside, Ray Bienes. Jeremy Mahinay cleans up his miss.
Rev Diputado eventually made that happen for the offensive rebound, just attracting the defense, creating the open shot, and eventually the offensive rebound. Pero si Warren
Tuyak with Rev Diputado, CJ Alatica, Wilson Baltasar, and John Lee Bolin. Tough move, but still 2 points from Rev Diputado.
That's one thing he could do. No, Rev Diputado, he's not quick, but he knows how to get to his sweet spots. Gets his feet in the paint. Good mid-range shooter. Tulad to, ang hirap nung tinira niya. Pero ito, ang ganda ng execution ng Binyan. Mike Babulak inside. 5-on-4. Somebody's open on the weak side.
And it's Subido draining the trifecta from the corner.
That is just undisciplined defensively.
Diputado gets the step. Tough finish, high off the glass and in.
That's what I mean. He's not your...
Sa poste, Mabulak. Balik kay Lasco. Pull-up jumper by Damian Lasco. Straight but short. Pitch ahead. CJ Alatica with a strong finish off that pass from Raymar Caduyak.
Not just anything. On defense, Alatica, the first one there. The first one also to finish. Bonifacio, that's a big basket.
Second triple of the ball game for Warren Bonifacio. This period. Bounce pass, Alatica, nakabuelo, Binomba pa! Coming around with that reverse layup. Alatica is ahead. Just running circles around the defense, lays it up and in. The capability that they certainly have.
Whoa.
Oh! Rocurva almost made it. Mabulak putting it back in, plus a foul. But CJ Alatica for Negros, Coach Chris, has been a vital source.
Sino yun? Fighting Maroon ba yun? Captain Ball ba yun dati?
Sa loob, Jopet Soriano puts it back in. Lamang na ulit ng 10 ang Binyan.
And his strength is obviously putting his head down and getting to the rim.
Formento seeking contact, makes the three anyway, despite being off balance. Team na agaw ni JJ Pido. JJ all the way, wala. Pingre sa ilalim, will just put it back up and in.
Really blocked, I believe.
Great effort of challenging that shot. Pamboy left open, knocks that one down from beyond distance.
It puts them in a good flow.
They did not do a good job in that last game against Caloocan in terms of coming out strong in the third. But a totally different case, at least
Pamboy gusto bawiin.
malakas. Ahead, Formento, all alone. 5 straight points. Counter-attack galing sa Negros, Hacenderos.
Ang ganda ng recognition doon ni Alatica. Touchdown sa kabilang pani kay Formento. Himpayan. That's clearly a foul. Excuse me, that was Alatica.
Doon si CJ, last second. Siyang magtitimon muna para sa Negros. Screen set by CJ Alatica. CJ, dump inside. 2 points for Jeremy Mahinay.
Even that basket.
Hindi nakita ni CJ. Gimpayan makes them pay. Tapping it in.
Naging second chance opportunity para sa Binyan.
Wakorba coming away with a steal. Gimpayan, one-hander, gumulong palabas. Formento, catch and shoot, free, Bokit. Fading away over Pamboy Raimundo, tough shot, Alatica with the offensive rebound, going right at J-Mark Gimpayan. That will roll through for CJ.
Walang problema. Alatica always strong with the basketball.
Pamboy
Partially blocked.
by CJ Alatica. Mahinay instead drives short. Barba still, lot of time, but Ingles picking his pocket. Counter steal though by Roakurva. Pinoy Sakuragi. Hand off to Roakurva. Pull-up jumper by Kenny is good. They needed that one.
There was a little hesitation. It was a miss, but that time a pull-up to his left. Here's Kenny. He's definitely comfortable of doing this.
Leaning in, banking that shot. Formento still in the ball game. Whipping a pass to Ray Bienes. Hindi handa para sa pasa na yun si Matt De Leon. Even last season, they've had close games. Their free throw line, had they made at least half of their free throws, it would have been a different story. Lastimosa though, swishing in that. 2 minutes remaining. Halos di na nakatingin sa ring doon si Chompit Soriano, but just flipping it up and in plus a foul. The official sportsbook of the MPBN.
Just like how Ken described it, flipping it up and in.
Chompit Soriano over 2 defenders.
May konting silip. Not a good angle.
Lastimosa hops down the lane. Mabulak likes that shot. That's exactly why he knocks it down from around 18 feet.
Subito's wide open. He's been open since the offensive rebound.
Hindi nakita. Lastimosa will put it up and put it in from downtown.
Lastimosa says, who needs an open shot? Second three for Lastimosa in this quarter.
Paubos ng oras sa ating third quarter. Scoring run. Massive. That's a 15-1 run before that basket by Raymar Caduyak.
That's a by Renzo.
Alatica Pumuelo puts it in despite the heavy contact. CJ Alatica 12.6. Nagpanggaan sila ni Formento. 4 on their shot clock.
Turnaround.
Formento over Sopeto. Cold-blooded from John Formento with a big-time free. He want the ball out of his hands. Alatica slides in, dumps it down low. Mahinay puts it in.
There's the basket.
Missing the services today of Nick Caballero. That's a big-time shot from rainbow distance. Pamboy Raimundo.
Darating ka rin dyan. Maniwala ka sa akin. Pamboy, back-to-back, wala.
Tip in. Sino ba yun?
Soriano.
Jopet? Diputado playing Raimundo tough. Lastimosa gets to his spot and scores.
Again, off the terrific screen.
Position and paying dividends. Sa ilalim, Alatica, a fine performance, 16 points, 8 rebounds after being up by 17. Negros getting to within 3. And just talking about the Hacenderos, they've given teams like Caloocan and a team like Binyan at least in spurts na
A win on the board. You're gonna have to get some stops, generate some baskets for you to give yourselves a chance to get a W.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Carlo Lastimosa coming alive in the second half. Only at 4 points in the first 2 quarters, but exploding for a total of 16, 12 in the last 2. Kaya naman nanalo ang Binyan kontra Negros 72-64. Let's